Good afternoon, everyone. Today we are going to continue the revision of the lesson odd one in revision. This is the revision of the lesson. In previous period, we covered some portion. Revision of the lesson. Odd one in. Odd one in. So in the previous period, I told you the Rima and the Malti. So the two Rima and Malti both. So Malti is very poor. She's poor and she's very poor. Her language is not so good. So other children that are in the class, they make fun of the Malti's look, Malti's behavior. Okay, how she's talking. Okay, and she looked offended. Okay, so all these things happen with the Malti. So, but Malti, she is a really very sincere girl. Okay, she's very sincere girl. She's honest girl. She's clever. So she'll take Malti. She'll take. She's participated in the competition, inter-school competition. So in this competition, everybody is surprised by seeing the Malti's name in the list of participants for the Hindi song category. So all the students, Oily Plate sings also. So she replied, Crocs, you mean Beagled Claire. They were to be proved wrong. Malti sang very beautifully. So she participated in the competition. She sang very beautifully. She had a melodious and well-trained voice. Rima and her gang had decided to jeer when Malti sang. But there was such absolute silence. They did not dare to. They were sure to get caught. So they decided to do something when she is going to sing. But they did not dare to. They were sure to get caught. When Malti finished, the principal was the first one to start clapping. When Malti finished her song, the principal was the first one to start clapping, followed by the teachers and students. Followed by the teachers and students. No one was surprised when Malti won the first prize. And in this way, Malti, she got the first prize. No one was surprised when Malti won the first prize. Rima did come first in her category. Somehow she felt no joy. Rima also come first in her category, but she felt no joy. As the term progressed, as the term is going on, as the term progressed, it was evidently clear to all that Malti was a bright child. Okay, so everybody knows as the term progress, first term, okay. So as the term progress, as the time passes, everybody knows that it is clear to everyone that Malti was a bright child. She was quite studious and intelligent. She is very quiet, shant, very studious and intelligent. Her forte was mathematics. Forte means in which someone is excel or someone is very good. Her simple appearance belied a sharp and nimble brain. Slowly, many of the girls began seeking her help in mathematics. So Malti is very good in mathematics. So slowly, many girls in the class, they were taking help of the Malti in mathematics. Help which she readily and cheerfully gave. So she is always ready to help. She is very cheerful. She is giving help. The teachers had liked the respectful, intelligent girl from the beginning. The teacher had liked the respectful, intelligent girl from the beginning. Now girls from the class also befriended her. So other girls also make friendship with her. So they mix with Malti. Okay, now not Rima and her clique though they stubbornly dislike Malti. But Rima and her other friends, they stubbornly dislike Malti. They were a stylish lot and nothing that Malti did could alter and fact that she was not their type. So they all were stylish. So they were clique. So Rima is having a clique, a small group of friends who do not allow other persons to join their group. Okay. So they were stylish a lot and nothing, and Malti did could alter and fact that she was not their type. They never lost a chance to poke fun at her. So they never lost a chance, they never miss a chance making fun of Malti. They always make fun, particularly about her English. So her English is not so good. That's why Rima and her friend, they were making fun of Malti's English, particularly her English language. Malti felt bad about their behavior. Malti felt very bad about their behavior. Malti felt bad about their behavior. One day, she was on the verge of tears when Rima mocked at her merciless. When one day, what happened? She was on the verge of the tears. So her tears, she is very sad. She is crying. When Rima mocked at her mercilessly because she said ask instead of ask. Ask. She said ask instead of ask. Her voice trembling, Malti said. Her voice trembling. Malti said, I know my English is weak. Malti is saying to Rima, I know my English is weak. Yours is good. Please, will you help me to improve it? So Malti ने रीमा से कहा, I know my English is very poor or it is not good. Your is good. Your English is very good. So will you help me please to improve it? I won't be able to help you, my dear. Rima is saying, I won't be able to help you, my dear, replied Rima with an exaggerated accent. Speaking proper English isn't easy for you, countrified types. Speaking proper English. See what is Rima is saying to Malti. Speaking proper English isn't easy for you, countrified types. You are living in country. You are countryside people. So speaking English is not easy for you. Malti's face turned red. Malti's face turned red. She wanted to retort, but could not find the right words. She wanted to retort, means she wanted to give answer to the Rima. Yes, but could not find the right words. She burst into tears and ran off. She burst into the tears and then ran off. That was horrid, Rima, said Shahnaz. Shahnaz is saying that was horrid, Rima. Yes, agreed Neha and clear roundly. And clear roundly. Rima was shocked. Her own friends had turned against her. Rima was very shocked because her friends told Rima that it was not good. Rima was very shocked because her friend had turned against her. She walked off in a huff. So Rima is very angry. She walked off in a huff. Mr. Sen found her subdued over lunch. Mr. Sen found her subdued over lunch. But decided not to ask anything. But Mr. Sen decided not to ask anything to Rima. Rima knew that she had behaved very badly. Rima knew that she had behaved very badly. She was too proud to admit it. She was too proud to admit it. Even to herself. She was too proud to admit it even to herself. So she was too proud to admit it even to herself. उसने खुद को भी ये नहीं किया, व्हाट वी कैन से एडमिट नहीं किया कि मैं गलत हूँ. रीमा, आई एम बिहेविंग वेरी बैडली with the Malti. So she never admit to herself also. Okay. So that this is the story odd one in. This is the story odd one in. Now we have revised. I have told. I have just tell you all the aspect what is there in the story. Rima, Malti. Okay. Now question answers. We have to revise. Read aloud the conversation in the story turn by turn. So you have to read the story simply. Read aloud the conversation in the story turn by turn. Write about Malti and Rima using the following points. I have given you this answer. Okay, in written. Malti and Rima. Following points. दोनों का appearance कैसे है? First point is appearance. So appearance of Malti, appearance of Rima. Studies, singing, attitude to others, weak points. All this you have to write down about Malti and Rima. Okay, so I will tell you appearance of Malti and Rima. First Malti and then second is Rima. So appearance of Malti is simple, oily hair, long skirt. And appearance of Rima is very stylish. Now studies. Malti is studious, intelligent, scored well in studies. She was good at maths. Rima, she was also good in studies. Rima is also good in studies. Singing. She had a, means Malti, First, she had a melodious and well-trained voice. She wins the first prize in the inter-house singing competition. Who? Malti. Now about Rima. She was also good at singing and wins the first prize in her own category in the inter-school singing competition. Rima and Malti both are very good in their category and they won the first prize in singing competition both. Attitude towards others. What is the attitude of Malti towards others and what is the attitude of Rima towards the other? Malti is very helpful and respectful, ready to learn from others and improve. And Rima is rude, arrogant, unkind behavior. She didn't like to be corrected. Okay. Now weak points of both. Malti's weak point is her English is poor. Her English was very poor. Okay. Her English was poor. And what is the Rima's weak point? She was weak in Hindi. She was jealous of others and thought others to be inferior to her. Okay. So these are the question answers. Now, here we have done some question answers and we have revised the lesson odd one in. Now, remaining question answers we will revise in next period, but I don't know homework. Homework is read the lesson odd one in. Read the lesson. This is very important. Read the lesson or one in. Okay, you have to read the lesson. Understood? First question is like this: read aloud the conversation in the story and turn better. Okay. So, as second question we have discussed now. Appearance of Malti, Rima, studies, singing, attitude to others, and weak points. So, we have discussed the second question. From third question, we will revise third question and the next question in the next week. Okay. So, do your homework, read the lesson. Reading is very important. Okay. So, read it. Okay. Bye.